Hello everybody, again with Dash Trucks with a new video. With this video we have a 2021 Freightliner M2 106. The engine is Cummins 6.7 and the transmission for this truck is 6-speed Allison automatic. And this truck, it has 160,392 miles. Let's walk around this truck. The box repainted. It has a diesel tank, 80-gallon. All the chassis repainted too. Brand new batteries. It has a liftgate and ramp. The liftgate, it's Maxon 3000 lap capacity. The box has 2 rows, T-trucks, and the roof is aluminum. Let's see the side. Air brakes and air driver seats. Let's see the driver cabinet. As I mentioned, air driver seat. The mileage. And let's take a look on the engine. Engine is clean, all filters are new. Let's start the engine. Any lights on, everything works great. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit a like. See you next video.